just a spoonful of this before each meal and lose weight in 7 days. Of course, tired of trying many ways to lose weight? Then do not be discouraged. The secret is to find the right for everyone, and today we will talk about simple ingredients, but very powerful to lose those kilos faster. It is apple cider vinegar. This is rich in calcium and magnesium, potassium, iron and copper. Apple cider vinegar is a natural tonic that helps us absorb food properly without discomfort or heaviness than traditional gas during digestion. Apple cider vinegar for weight loss. Apple cider vinegar dissolved in a glass of water with bacteria that have the ability to protect the body and improve digestion solutions is really amazing what you can do for you. How do I use? Tablespoon 25 milliliters glass in 250 milliliters of water diluted. You should take 1 tablespoon of vinegar diluted before lunch and before dinner. This regime should take place only for 7 days, then rest for a week before repeating the process. Do not exceed the time limit because if consumed in excess, it can cause more harm than good. Remember, you only have to take 2 tablespoons per day. The benefits that can bring you apple cider vinegar are many. Apple cider vinegar helps speed up the metabolism. It is also rich in vitamin B6 and lecithin, which helps burn fat and lose weight, helps detoxify the colon and intestines, provide us with digestion. It helps the body get rid of toxins because better. We provide a great way to lower blood pressure and triglycerides. Apple vinegar improves the functioning of the lymphatic system and promotes blood flow, helps balance the alkalinity of the body. Since they are near a lemon, you know how to use apple cider vinegar, and remember not to abuse